It's time for your real estate update. One other important item to think about when you are getting divorced, if you are leaving and selling the home and splitting the proceeds. When it comes to repairs and what needs to be done on the house, sometimes it can be a little hard to work with each other, your soon to be ex spouse, and determine who's going to take care of the repairs, who's going to pay for them up front. Are you guys going to split those? It can get really confusing. So, one thing I recommend is instead of repairing items, just offer a credit to the buyers. They can fix it after the fact, and there's no extra stress as far as determining who's going to be in charge of contacting the companies and paying that upfront fee to maybe be reimbursed at the end of the process.